457 Beta Gold IRA, How to Protect Your Retirement from Inflation. Inflation slowly eats away at retirement savings, especially for people relying on a 457b plan filled with stocks and bonds. As prices rise and markets become more unpredictable, many savers are looking for safer ways to protect their future. One increasingly popular option is a 457b to Gold IRA rollover. Gold has a long history of holding value during inflation and economic uncertainty, making it an attractive diversification tool. Understanding how this strategy works can help you make smarter decisions before inflation reduces your purchasing power even further. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. What is a 457b plan? A 457b plan is a tax-advantaged retirement account commonly offered to government employees and certain nonprofit workers. Contributions grow tax-deferred, and withdrawals are often penalty-free after leaving your job. However, most 457b plans are limited to traditional investments, which can struggle during inflation. Why inflation threatens retirement savings? Inflation reduces how much your money can buy over time. Retirees are especially vulnerable because they often rely on fixed income. Living costs rise faster than wages. Stocks and bonds can lose value during inflation. Without protection, long-term savings may not keep up with rising expenses. Why gold is used as an inflation hedge? Gold is valued worldwide and does not depend on paper currency or corporate performance. Key benefits include 1. Long-term value preservation. 2. Protection against a weakening dollar. 3. Low correlation with stock markets. 4. Physical, tangible asset security. This makes gold a popular choice during economic uncertainty. What is a Gold IRA? A Gold IRA is a self-directed IRA that allows you to hold IRS-approved physical gold and other precious metals. It keeps the tax advantages of retirement accounts while adding inflation protection. Can you roll over a 457b to a Gold IRA? In most cases, yes. A 457b to Gold IRA rollover is usually done through a direct rollover, which avoids taxes and penalties. Eligibility depends on whether you have left your employer and your plan's rules. Key benefits of a 457b to Gold IRA: 1. Protection from inflation. 2. Better portfolio diversification. 3. Reduced exposure to market volatility. 4. Long-term wealth preservation. A 457b to Gold IRA rollover can be a smart move if you want to protect your retirement savings from inflation and market instability. While gold is not designed for rapid growth, it offers stability, balance, and peace of mind. With proper planning and the right custodian, gold can help keep your retirement secure for the years ahead. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.